I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your mobile number from Giffgaff to 3UK, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Get your PAC code. Before you can port your number, you need to request a porting authorization code PAC from Giffgaff. You can do this by texting PAC to 65075 or logging into your Giffgaff account. Step 2. Sign up with 3. Once you have your PAC code, sign up for a 3UK plan. You can do this online or in store. Make sure to choose a plan that suits your needs. Step 3. Provide your PAC code. During the sign-up process with 3, you will be prompted to enter your PAC code. Make sure to enter it correctly to avoid any delays in the porting process. Step 4. Wait for the porting process. After submitting your PAC code, the porting process usually takes up to 1 working day. You may receive a confirmation text from 3 once your number has been successfully ported. Step 5. Test your new SIM. Once you receive confirmation, insert your new 3 SIM card into your phone and test to ensure your number has been successfully ported. If you experience any issues, try restarting your phone. Switching your number can feel daunting, but following these steps will help you transition smoothly. If you run into any hiccups, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. Good luck with your new plan.